Carson, it's so nice to
What's
see
up?
you again.
It's great to see you.
I am so excited because this is going to be the day that's going to change your life forever. You're going to have the hair you always wanted, and just wanted to make sure before we get started, if you had any questions or concerns that you might have thought of over the last, 2 or 3 weeks since we saw each other last with the consult.
Yeah. No, I'm going into it. I really don't have a lot of questions. I'm sure once it's said and done, I'll have some questions and thoughts about maintenance and styling and stuff like that. But outside of that, I'm just really stoked. I'm looking forward to it.
Wonderful. Well, let's get started.
Let's do it.
So the first thing I wanted to mention before we start doing the hair replacement procedure is I wanted to explain to you that you're going to be receiving products to take home.
Awesome.
You're not going to be left solo trying to figure out, oh my gosh, what do I go buy? What do I use? We want to make sure you're on the right path to begin with. And we teach you how to not only conserve your products so you don't buy them as often, but to have a cleaner scalp, which is important for all of us.
Yeah.
So you're going to be getting your shampoos, your conditioners. We'll be diluting the shampoo because a little bit of shampoo goes a long way once you've wet the hair down in the shower. You'll also have a daily shampoo, a daily conditioner rather, that you're going to spray on, which is really important because with the hair replacement, it just get the oils that your natural scalp does with your natural hair. Therefore, we have to replenish that with a daily spray and conditioner. This is the most essential product. I can't stress that enough.
Gotcha.
Out of everything that you do. And, occasionally clients will say, Stormy, how often do I shampoo this? Really, it's your preference. Majority of people do it maybe twice a week, 3 times a week. You don't have to do it as often, but that's usually the minimum.
Yeah.
And then you kind of figure out with your lifestyle habits, whether it's, you're doing a gig and you've got to go play at night and the next morning,
It's
whatever.
kind of what works, yeah.
Yeah, whatever your regimen is. The other thing that we really stress once you dilute your shampoo in the shower is have some type of, they call this a scalp brush. I call it the hair replacement brush.
Cool.
And this is going to help distribute when you lay the shampoo on the wet hair in the shower to downward movement, smooth it down, and distribute the shampoo evenly. So therefore, when you get to the conditioning treatment, you'll proceed the same way.
Gotcha.
Then you're going to rinse a lot, and what'll happen is you won't be in there as long because you'll have everything already diluted and rinsed out properly.
Yeah.
So that's really important that a lot of people don't tell you. You'll also about once every 2 to 3 weeks use a intense conditioner. This is actually going to replace your shampoo and conditioning step that you do normally.
Okay.
You just will opt out on the regular conditioner and use the intense conditioner.
Awesome.
And I usually recommend when you get to this point and you use your scalp brush to apply it, just leave it in for a few minutes and then rinse until the water's clear.
Gotcha.
And then as styling goes, you'll need a vent brush that has the tines that are covered so you don't pull on the hair replacement. And that's really it.
Cool.
All right, let's get started.
Right on.